Hi everybody, welcome, willkommen, benvenido, benvenu, hoskildin, selamat datang, dobro pocholovot, kohomai, yokoso. Welcome to Suncave Gardens True Nature Club, Resort, Retreat. You can let us know what you think when you're here. The one thing that we have in common with all the people from around the world that come here is a communion and a dedication to nature. It's a naturist place, and we are completely immersed in nature, as you can see. Suncave Gardens is the only naturist center in the region of Lazio. We are so close to Rome, the eternal city, and all of the beautiful surrounding towns and lakes and villages. So let's have a little secret tour of the magic Suncave. Welcome to Suncave Vegetable Garden. It's the heart of Suncave. Here we produce tomatoes, potatoes, peppers, onions, eggplant, lots of artichokes, strawberries, and a lettuce bed that never dies. We have lots of trees, lots of fruit trees, almonds, apples, apricots, pears, figs, goji berries, and you can actually walk through here when you're here, and you can pick figs, and you don't have to wear any fig leaves because there is no fall at Suncave. All right, let's go down to the pool and see that other piece of paradise. So on the way to the pool, I stop at the chickens because we get fresh eggs. I'll make you a frittata. So here we are at Suncave Pool. It's a great place to just relax and hang out, and maybe we'll have some games too, some horseshoes, hopscotch. You can have some archery, and it's we're on the edge of a beautiful wood, so it's very peaceful. And a little bit about the rooms: we have a bungalow that you saw, which sleeps 2 people, and then we have a cottage that sleeps anywhere from 2 to 7 people. It has a little sunroom, and then there are a few rooms inside the main house. So this is a good place to just relax, read books, talk to people, lots of ideas. If you're a creative person, you'll have lots of wonderful inspirations. If you're not, you'll become a creative person. So let's go down to the cave and see what's happening down there. We have a jacuzzi down there. It's a bit of a surprise. It's part of the hidden surprise of Suncave. Okay, let's go. Welcome to the cave. This is an incredible place. It's a beautiful garden surrounding a 3,000-year-old Etruscan cave, and this is an amphitheater that we built years ago. This is our guardian patch. Inside there's a beautiful jacuzzi, which is nice to sit in the evening, and we have a lot of concerts here: jazz, suku, theater, dance, lots of flamenco. One year we had lots of flamenco, and a harpist and a singer, and it really turns to magic in the evening.